In this video, I'll show you how to set up DNS on Namecheap. Start by signing into your Namecheap account. From the dashboard, go to Domain List and find the domain you want to manage. Next, click Manage next to your domain. Then open the Advanced DNS tab. After that, choose the type of DNS record you want to add, such as an A record, name record, MX record, or TXT record, depending on the instructions provided by your hosting provider or service. Now click Add New Record, select the correct record type, and enter the required values, including the host, value, or target, and TTL if needed. Next, click the Save button to apply your changes. If you're adding multiple DNS records, repeat the process for each one. Finally, wait for the DNS changes to propagate. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, although many updates are completed much sooner. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up DNS on Namecheap. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.